Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, March the 5th, 2021. The last puzzle I will solve is a tectonic one with 4 stars. Yes, and this will be number 2426. All right, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Wow, could be a hard one. 12 printed digits for a tectonic could be a hard one. All right, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find a single box or boxes. I see here single box, there single box. Single box is always a 1. All right. Do we have dual box? I see here dual box. Dual box 1 or 2, 1 or 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those boxes. Do we have more single box? Dual box? No. Triple box. Oh, here. Dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. All right. Triple box. Do we have a triple box? No. I see here quadra boxes. Quadra box. Quadra box with the L construction, and the L construction, this box is always a 5 because those 4 boxes contains the 1 2 3 and a 4, so this should be a 5. It cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any one in one of those 4 boxes, or the 2 or the 3 or the 4. So this box should be a 5. All right, then here also quadra box. All right, then the following strategy is to find some or recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape. The L shape, we have here the L shape. You can rotate this, but we have here the L shape, and this box has the same name as that box. So this box is the same name as that box. All right. So this box is the same name as that box. Do we have more L shape? No. This kind of shape, yes. This box has the same name as that box. All right. Let me draw this. Then we have a Z construction. Yes, Z. This box has the same name as that box, so this should be a 5. All right, it's the same name as that, but also this box has the same name as that box, so it should be a 1 or a 2 in this box. All right, 1 or 2. Then the following figure of a construction of a shape here. All right, this box has the same name as that box, so all right, those are the figures, constructions, or shapes. Yeah, I cannot find any other, so let's get started. I see here in this area 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. All right, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. All right. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be in one of these two boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 4, 1 and a 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1. And that box can also not be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. Alright, and this box is connected with that box. So this box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this Z construction, the 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Alright. Then yeah, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. So this should be also a 3 and a 4. It's connected. Alright. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Yes. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then this box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left should be the 5. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. 1 digit left should be a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, so these 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2 in this box. Alright. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for the 3. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left here in this area for the numbers 5 and 1. 5 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 3, 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, because I need a 2 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. But it also cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there. It cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 3, this box. Yeah, should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 3. Alright. This quadra box. 1, 2, 3, or a 4. This box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be a 4. Alright, those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 5. Alright. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Alright. Well, we have here 1 and a 2. I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 1. Alright. The 1 and the 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 5, 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore, this box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Let me go do this part. 2, 2, 1. Alright. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2. Let me see. 3, 5. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that we have double 1 here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. That means that those 2 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3, so this box should be a 3. And 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 4 because I need a 4 in one of those two boxes. No 4 here. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that I have a double 4 here. I cannot place a 4 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Alright. So now these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here because this box cannot be a 3 and that box cannot be a 3, so this box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there because this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2 and this box should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this W shape for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4 and this box should be a 3. Alright, this box is connected with that box, so it has the same number, should be also a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great puzzle, great Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? No, I rather think it's a 2 stars or 3 stars, but not a 4 stars. A 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. And have a great day. Bye bye. Weekend is coming. Bye bye.